Hi guys, welcome back. I'm still out here. Got the spray paint, trying to come up with that design. Doing the best I can in the dark. Why put it off tomorrow when I could start it tonight? You don't do it in the other videos. So what? You know that fence project just pushed things back, along with the weather. I'm playing catch up. All right, what's going on? I'm using this soil to raise the plants up. I want them to get more water, so we'll see how that turns out. Got some more topsoil. I know what I said, okay? You can't always go to the store and blah, blah, blah. But do you want to dig up dirt every time you need it? No, you don't. Anyway, got some fabric, long bags, dirt, of course, getting it done. Raised the plant, did that overnight. So I'm just working on this design. It's getting there. How does it look? Looks okay. They look stressed, so I thought I needed to do something. Raise them up, add some more soil. So I think they'll make a recovery. Normally around this time, the white plants look spectacular. The lilies are dying out, so to speak. But the white ones, they're blooming and look amazing. Maybe it's all the movement, I don't know. I haven't watered too much either. That fence project, like I said, pushed things back. And now, again, I'm trying, guys. I really am. Edging now. I don't know if this will remain like this. I'll figure it out. But it's coming together. We'll see what happens. Scratch that idea. I envisioned something like a mound, you know what I mean? Something higher up. Wasn't working. So I filled in the gap. I'll come with the design. Move forward. Landscape fabric to the rescue. I have to cut out a lot of pieces. This is the only thing I don't like. It's not like I'm going across one big area. It's like looping and all this other stuff that's going on. So it's making me work a little harder. But that's okay. We don't shy away from work over here now, do we? Just about done with the fabric. Trust me, when it's over, this area will look great. All right, fountain. You keep leaking. I use 2 different seals, a generic brand and then a real big brand, if you know what I mean. Might have to send you over there. Anyway, put some edging down here. Helps the mulch pop. Makes it look real nice, real professional. Let's keep going. When in doubt, use mulch. Got the cart. This project is moving right along. We're making progress, folks. As you can see, makes a difference. Huge improvement. Huge. A lot of work, though. A lot of work. A lot of material, bags, the whole shebang. Got to come over here, finish up. Last year, I used 2 edgers for this side. This year, I got a 50-footer. Just one long edger will do. Work smart, not hard. Now, a simple edger can make your mulch and your mulch beds and stuff look a lot neater, cleaner, professional. That's all. You know I add a lot of mulch. Time to clean up. I know. Who really likes doing it? But it has to be done. Let's clear the area. We made a lot of improvements today. We're getting there. Looks nice. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye. On second thought, let's save the best for last. Take care.